Welcome back to our new session. In this session, I would like to discuss you about Excel overview. I would like to give you a brief overview about the Excel by showing the Excel spreadsheet everything. Okay, I am going to explain you about the overview of the Excel. First, let's open our spreadsheet. In the previous video, I have showed you like how to create a spreadsheet and how to assign a name. Okay, now let's come back to the overview. This Excel spreadsheet, this is called as Excel spreadsheet, and in this Excel spreadsheet we have two categories. One is like a ribbon and the second one is sheet, which is one is like a this one is called as ribbon. Can you see my cursor? This one is called as ribbon, and from here to all these are called as spreadsheet. Okay, you got the point. This one is ribbon and this one is spreadsheet. First, let's explain the components which are present in the ribbon. Okay, this ribbon provides all the shortcuts to Excel commands, and also the command is nothing but an action that allows the user to make something happen, like something like mathematical functions to be happen. For example, it is like if you want to insert a table, or else if you want to change the size of the font, or else if you want to wrap the text, or else if you want to do some auto sum mathematical calculations, all these commands are provided in the ribbon, in this ribbon tab. Okay, and in this ribbon tab, if we subclassify, this is known as app launcher, and this file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and all this comes under tabs. Okay, and from this part here to, you can see my cursor, right? From here to until here, it is known as groups. Like these are used for the letters or values, like in order to change the font, make it bold Italian, and you need to underline the text as well. And these are like for creating the borders of the table which we are inserting, and this one is for changing the background color, and this one is for changing the color of the letter, and this one is to increase the letter size, and this one is to decrease the font size, and this one is to maintain the alignment of the text or the cell. Okay, or the value which you have given, and this one is the wrap text, and this one is like merging and centering the cells as well, and this one is like here you could know like the text general, or like you could change the settings as well, and this one is like a table formatting, like if you want to, you can um, merge the two cells into one cell, like you can change the cells as you wish, and all these are present in this ribbon tab. And this ribbon tab, this one are known as tabs, and from here to here it is known as groups, and from here to here it is known as commands. Okay, this commands is nothing but you can give like after giving particular data, you can give some commands from here, like if you want to add from, if you give one value here and if you give another value, you can merge this, and you can click on the auto sum, like there is some average count numbers, maximum, minimum, and there will be option for dates, assigning the dates as well. If you click on this, you can drag and drop up and down. Okay, now first let's know about the app launcher. App launcher is nothing but it is a navigation bar. It allows the user to access different parts of the Excel. Okay, and coming to the tabs is a menu. It is a menu with subdivisions, and which is sorted into the groups, And the tabs also allow the users to quickly navigate the options of menus which display different groups of functionality. Okay, this home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, each and every tab has its own unique additional commands as well. Like in home you could see like changing of the letters, fonts, everything, and about regarding the cells. And insert, you can insert the pivot table, and you can like a graph. If you can invert the table up to the whatever the size you wish to. And you can enter a picture as well, you can enter some clip arts, you can enter the shapes, smart art, like there is a number of options for insert page as well. For page layout also there is like a, it is like a A4 sheet. What is the margins, like you need the normal margins or wide, what is the orientation size you should, you need the portrait or landscape size, and like what kind of paper format you need, letter format or tabloid format or A4, A3, A5, like multiple options, number of options are available in this Excel. Okay, and coming to the groups, these groups are set of related commands. The groups are separated by thin vertical line break, like these groups are separated by this thin line vertical break. Okay, this thin line, these groups are divided into this thin line. And after that, coming to the commands, the commands are the buttons that user used to do the actions. Okay, these commands are the buttons which user used to do the actions. Okay, now let's have a look at the sheet, so you will be able to understand the relationship between the ribbon and sheet. Okay, like if I explain the sheet, then you will understand like what are the relation between this ribbon tab and this sheet tab. Okay, coming to the sheet is nothing but a set of rows and columns, and also it forms same pattern as we have in mathematics book. I hope you guys understand, like if you guys are aware about our mathematics exercise books, then it is very easy for you to perform all the calculations and operations in this Excel sheet as well. Okay, this rectangle boxes formed by the pattern, these are known as cells. Like this is known as cell, this is known as cell, like these are all known as cells. Okay, for example I am showing you an example, like right, let me show you. For example, I will show you like if let's give some, in these cells we can give them, we can give the alphabetics or else numbers as well. Okay, I have given hello in this C tab. Okay, now where could you find the reference, like what cell and what row you have added and what column number you have added. Like these rows are consist from A to X. You guys understand the point? See, I have marked this A. See, until X you have. From A to X you will have rows, and from 1 to 1048576, until this you have columns. Okay, like if you have entered hello here, now how would you know like what row you have created and what column you have created? Okay, the easy shortcut to know like on which cell you have given hello, then if you click on the hello cell, then here you could find like in the W row, in the 1048576 column you have given as hello command. Here you could see the command which you have given. Okay, I hope you guys are following the session well. So I am repeating this again. Once you give the command, you have given the command like so you have entered some value like hello here. Okay, after entering hello, if you do not know what row and what column which you have given, you could see like in it will automatically take you to the row here, and you could click on here as well. This is what the row, this is what the column, w column, and this is what 1048548576 column you have given. Okay, and here if you click on this, then you could find here automatically the thing, the matter which you have given. I hope you guys understood. Now let's delete this, and let's go to the top. For example, you can see here this is like a C column and fourth row. Okay, in this C4 here it is given as C4, and the command which you have given is hello. For example, let's give hello all. Then you could find in the command dialog, in the dialog box, like it is like a hello all. Okay, here this fx is known as insert a function. Insert a function is nothing but the commands like mm, mathematical functions and all. I would give like each, I would make multiple sessions, so in the upcoming sessions also there are a lot of functions which I am going to perform and which I am going to give you guys as a homework for performing in by yourself. I would give number of examples and exercises as well. Okay, and also after let's clear this. After that, coming to this part, you could observe like there is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. If you right click on your mouse, you would find multiple options here, like you can insert a sheet, and you can delete this sheet, and you can rename this sheet. For example, I am clicking on the rename. I want to give like work. Okay, or else, and you can move this sheet here and there, or copy, and you can view the code. This view code is not related for us, and you can protect this sheet by using a lock, and you can change the color of this um, sheet as well. Okay, and you can hide this sheet as well, and you can select all the sheets which you have given. Okay, and another easy function for creating a new sheet is like you can click on this symbol, you can click on this symbol. Okay, delete, delete, and there is a shortcut from keyboard to create a new sheet. It is control plus F1, control plus, sorry, F11. This is the command for creating a new tab easily. Okay, you can I am showing you right now. I am pressing control plus sorry, it is shift plus F1. I'm sorry guys, it is shift, hotkey shift plus F11. Okay, now I'm clicking shift plus F11. See, you could observe here like shift sheet 5 has been created automatically. Okay, now I am deleting this. Now I am pressing again shift plus F11. See, sheet 6 has been created. Okay, it will automatically take the new number which we have created already. Okay, and that's all for this session guys. Normally, I hope you guys understood everything well, and you guys please like this video for and you could share this video to your friends who are willing to learn Excel, and you could subscribe this channel for more upcoming sessions, so that I could gain more knowledge and I could share my knowledge with you. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.